And I think, is it time now, guys? Yes, let's do it! Before we get started, Ron, we gotta thank our fearless leader right now, Jim Thompson. That guy is the hardest working motherfucker who makes this thing happen. Let's give this guy a big applause.
Well, obviously, first off, thanks for coming out. This would not happen if you guys didn't actually come out and participate, so really give yourself a fucking hand. Okay, so I want to thank the clubs that came out, California Street Bands, Bandits, Wheels Confusion, Highwaymen VC, that Vancho guy who got his face painted, Bandoleros, Gypsies, Van Fools, Family VC, Van Freaks, and our gang, and if I missed anyone, sorry. And I want to thank our vendors who came in and did a bitchin' job. Walker & Company, California Van Swapper, by Francis Frank, Martin's Junkyard, TCB, Never Easy, Found and Freed, Guy Salazar, Sticks and Stoned, Boneyard Artillery, especially Boneyard Artillery for the awesome fucking shirts. And on that note also, thank you Jason from the Bandoleros for the awesome shirt art, dude. Buttons by Beth, 1888 design, and icing on the rim. And our tattooer, Steel Honey, because those tattoos did not hurt at all. That was magic.
All right. And I want to say a big thing too. I've been to this every year, and I'm Tony from Blacktop Magazine, by the way, and I was asked to do the trophies here, the announcements, but I've come every year, and it's so bitching to see how much it grows. You guys are just fabulous. I love this lifestyle, and it's just awesome. You guys come out here. It's a wonderful weekend. A little on the warm side, but we got some shade, and we're going to have some bitchin' rockin' bands coming on. Bands coming on. And bands.
Here's a little bit of a rattlesnake. First off, I would like to thank California Street Bands for putting on this good show. It's a badass show. Bandoleros, we don't get out much, and I feel like a representative that speaks for them. Bandoleros and a close club, the Banditos. We represent all those clubs. We represent the old school clubs. We still do drugs and drink a lot and party if you want to go to the bands. So but anyways, long story short, I don't want to be up here long, but anyways, you guys are still badass banners. We still represent everybody. Everything's a good time. It's a badass show, you know, good times. And I just, honestly, I want to say from the bottom of my heart, this is fucking cool to me. Fucking 12 years ago, fucking there was no vans. Everyone was fucking driving still Astro vans thinking they were cool. You know? Astro Vans, gray interiors, pink stripes. That shit was, and you know what? Probably in like 5 years, it probably will be cool again. I don't know. So keep your van. But this shit's fucking cool. We'll party. Fucking anyone wants a bump, go to my van. We'll party. Everyone, fucking thank you. I fucking love this shit. Bandoleros forever, but fucking California Street Vans, thank you for the good show. You guys are badass, man.